Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This one is another like traveller's notebook sized journals. It's very eclectic, there's loads of this, that and the other in it. I used a file folder as the cover. I know there's 80 pages front and back, but I don't know what the size of the journal is. Probably about 8 1/4. Look at that, 8 1/4 by just shy of 4 1/2. And like I said, one signature, 80 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop and I will put a link to that below. I've just literally put the word journal on and it's just slightly skew-with. Well, it's gonna have to stay skew-with because it's stuck. Oh no, I've moved it, there we go. So the cover here is made from papers from ARTYmaze, and I used 2 of the same pages. You can slightly see the join here, but it just kind of looks like that stops and the music papers started. And this is ARTYmaze as well. I think that's from one of the freebies. I'm going to start linking ARTYmaze's KoFi Shop below as well, because I do use a lot of her monthly freebies in there, as well as like the kits that I do as a design team for. So I'll link that below. So we've got a little bit of crocheted trim here, larger piece here, the bling, and then the word journal. This image here is from one of ARTYmaze's kits, and I believe it is the boho kit. And then we've got fabric on here, and it's kind of tatty. You can see I've made fabric ruffles as well with the same material as I used for this, and I kind of like that look. Right, let's go inside. So there's somewhere to journal there, a little bit of digital washi from chapter 1, and then here this actually flips out like so. We've got a pocket here, tag there is from ARTYmaze. This is ARTYmaze, and the butterfly is ARTYmaze as well. I've just kind of, guess I got that in there, or it went in here, I can't remember. Yeah, I think it went in there. Tag there, that's the book page, it's the maths book page. I do have a couple of book page bundles still for sale in my shop. This is ARTYmaze as well, so is that. This, I haven't got anything down here, I spilt something on it earlier, so I had to wash it, the sheet that I put down. So some more pieces just tucked in here. We've got some stenciling here, the papers have been coffee dyed. Digital washi here, this is from TaylorMadeJournals. We've got a flip there, and we've got tags, and this is letter ephemera from ARTYmaze's French ephemera kit. There is more to that, like at the sides, but I chopped that off. Little positive quote tag there. You could journal one here or add something, bit of digital washi there. We've got a top pocket there. Let's see if that goes in. Yes, it does. And then we've got a pocket here with some tags, journal cards. It will be okay. Some stamping, some stenciling, another pocket here, the word adventure and a butterfly, that's ARTYmaze, stamped tag and a positive quote journal card there. Fabric ruffles, some lined paper, so you could do some journaling on there, journal on here, digital washi. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. So like everyone I've mentioned, you will find the link to the Etsy below as well. That is MyPorchPrints. Done some punching there with my bind it all, some stenciling, some stamping, journal card. Now this is just plain cardstock, and I think I mentioned it the other day in a video. I just put like coffee water or whatever on the glass mat. I just put my stencil into it, and then I just set my stencil on top of that like I was stamping with it, if you get what I mean, and that's how that comes out. Nothing exciting, it's really easy. I'm sure somebody else has done it as well. digital washi, some stenciling. Here we've got a little pocket, and we've got a tag in there, somewhere to journal. That's actually opened there as well, so you can actually tuck something in there too. So that goes there. And how do we do that? We go in that way. Shall we go in that way? Yeah, that's how it goes. Could go in either way, to be honest. Just have to turn it that way so I can try and get a decent bow. It's these nails. It's not actually, I'm blaming the nails. I'm just rubbish at doing bows. Some more ruffle. This was again the same thing that I'd done with them. Obviously it was a different bigger stencil, and I just laid that on the copy of paper and brushed over it. No, I brushed over it first, put a copy paper down, brushed on the back, something like that, I can't remember, and that's how I got that marking. Oh, a little bit glued there, and you can see a little bit of it this side, hearts on a string there. And that's how that turned out. The flip here, ARTYmaze French ephemera kit, that's on her Etsy store. Stenciling, you could actually tuck something behind here as well. And then here is a little tag, and that is from the boho kit as well. Digital washi butterfly, stenciling. How cute is that stencil? I don't even know where I got that from. Again, the tags just gives you somewhere, because you could still write on that and still see all that behind there. Tag there, stenciling, another flip out here, ARTYmaze French ephemera kit, and we've got that book page pocket. I think I put the video up for that now, I think. And some more fabric ruffle, another flip out here, a tag, ARTYmaze, again that was from one of the freebies, so that's on a KoFi Shop. Yeah, go over and check that out. And sometimes when she's selling her journals and stuff, she puts it on there as well, and if she's selling other bits and pieces, she will sell them on there too. I know she's got a website as well. I'll have to remember and try and put that down below as well. I was just thinking then, it's like, oh, where is she selling stuff now? Because she's been busy this summer really with doing her craft fairs. And she's really enjoying it. It's good to do things you enjoy. That's another, this actually flips out that way, but we've got some more French ephemera here. Fingers are not working now. And we've got a tag in there that opens up. It's like the other one, only I've got that tag there inked up behind that one. No, I think it's best we do it that way. Right, we'll get this done eventually, won't we? Right, another pocket there, another tag. Paper there is TaylorMadeJournals. We have that one there, and that there. Digital washi here, stenciling, pocket there that actually flips out like so. So we've got a journal card here, tag there, a little bit of stenciling and stamping there, book page pocket, tag in there, believe you can, and you're halfway there. This is from the boho kit, some digital washi from chapter 1 and a butterfly. Inside here there's a piece there from ARTYmaze, I think that's the freebie as well. And then here we've got another tag, and that is the journal. So excuse me, there is little tatty bits coming off the fabric which can be snipped off or pulled off. And like I said, there is This will be listed in my shop. I'll have some form of special offer on it today. This is also for sale. There'll be an offer on that as well, so I'll link that below too. And yeah, if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.